In this video, I'm going to show you how I emulate the 60mm film in my videos. I just use some of the power grades, so it's actually not that difficult. For Eos M users out there, I'm going to show you the workflow for Eos M Magic Grunt and Low 2, since a lot of you guys ask me how I do it.
All it has is a guitar and a snare drum.
So open the MLB app and just drag and drop your footage from Eos M, and just don't change setting in there, and just choose the cinema DNG as output format and just export it. After you exported the footage from MLB app, you just import footage, and I just de-squeeze it. And after that, you apply power grade called Cineprint 16, and you just need to apply it and change some settings, so it's actually pretty easy. So after you apply, make sure that you turn off the node that needs paid version of DaVinci Resolve, and after that you need to change the color space to black magic, because I think that has the best color in my opinion, and change input color space to black magic too. And I'm gonna just tweak the exposure a little bit, and after that I would like to use print film emulation rather than Cineon, so I just change that, and that's it. Actually, I don't do like crazy color grading, I just apply Cineprint 16. This time I'm gonna use power grade called Filmvision. This is also one of my favorite power grade too. And I will turn on some node, and also I will put LUT that comes with it. I don't know why, but this power grade gives very green look to footage, and sometimes I don't like it, but sometimes I like it too. So colors change. I also change color space, and from there you can just change exposure or white balance and just correct the footage. Next I'm gonna use my original LUT, and I'm gonna apply it after I change the color space. I'm gonna change it to Alexa log C4. My LUT is very saturated, so you can always lower the intensity a little bit. I'm gonna put some comparison with these three methods in last part of video, so that you can choose from these three. I think you should choose Cineprint 16 because that's, I think, most versatile. Yeah.